The Fujitsu FI7160 and FI7260 are engineered for speed and reliability. You can help maintain peak performance by adopting a routine cleaning regimen that takes just a few minutes to complete. This video will explain how to clean your scanner to keep it running great. Before we begin, power off the device by pressing the power button for about 3 seconds or until it stops illuminating. Let's begin by cleaning the consumables inside the scanner. Open the automatic document feeder, or ADF, by pressing the lever on the right-hand side. The consumables are located on the upper section as well as the lower section. Keeping these two consumables clean will prolong their life and will allow your scanner to feed more reliably. Starting with the lower section, locate the pick roller and clean it with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth. Next, move to the upper section and locate the separation roller. The best way to clean the separation roller is to remove it from the scanner. So open the roller compartment and lift the separation roller out. With the roller removed, clean it with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth, wiping in the direction of the grooves running along the surface. When finished, return the separation roller to the holding bracket and close the compartment. Now with the consumables clean, take a moment to wipe off all glass areas inside the paper path. Keeping these glass areas clean will help maintain good image quality when using your scanner. Using a lint-free cloth with F1 cleaner applied to it, wipe the glass surface along the top section and then the bottom section. Remember to never spray anything, including compressed air, directly into the scanner. Now close the automatic document feeder. If your Fujitsu scanner has a flatbed, finish up by cleaning the flatbed with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth. Working from the top down, start by cleaning the background area, and then finish by wiping off the glass surface. Keeping this area free of paper dust and contamination will help reduce artifacts and speckles from appearing on your images. And that's it! Ensure that everything is plugged in and press the power button to turn the scanner on. Now you're ready to start scanning again. Your Fujitsu scanner is built to last for many years, and routinely cleaning the consumables and contact surfaces can help keep your investment performing.